How about now?
Hi.
Say something else.
You're speaking so loud.
What?
You're speaking so loud.
Okay, dang it. Okay,
Okay.
I feel like, or how about this? We say,
Speak.
hi, how are you doing?
Speak like really.
Hi, how are you doing?
You're really speaking? I can't even hear myself.
You're speaking so loud. That's
make
gonna
sure you press
ruin
it.
our eyes.
No,
and
like
ears.
don't do it full, but press it against your ears.
Yeah.
Press
Okay.
it. Press it. Like, press it. Can you hear me?
No. Ah, dang it.
Hey guys, it's Jolene here, and
Lauren.
we're doing the Read My Lips challenge. I have 5 cards right here with random, completely random sentences, and he has 5 that he's written down, so I don't know what they say. And we're just going to blast music on Lawrence's headphones and try to read each other's lips. Good luck to us. Let's do this. The Read My Lips challenge. Okay, do you want to go first?
Okay, rock, paper, scissors.
So, me go first?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. Should I show them the card first, or?
Tell them first.
Okay. What do you mean?
I'll tell, the word.
Oh.
Wait, I'll tell you when it plays. Okay, just say something random.
Hi.
Okay,
Hi.
yeah, go.
Okay. The dog barked at the people. The dog barked at the people.
What?
The dog barked at the people.
Enunciate more.
The dog barked at
The
the
dog
people.
pooped at the beach. What?
The dog
The dog
barked
barked
at
at
the
the
people.
mailman.
People.
People?
Yeah.
The dog barked at the people. Oh, it's so funny. Okay.
Woo, I'm scared for me. My turn.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. If you hear me, just tell me, okay?
What?
The baby's blue bottom. Ooh. The baby's.
What?
The baby's.
The people?
The baby.
Ow! What?
The baby.
The
Baby.
baby?
Baby.
Baby.
Bay.
Pain.
Bay. Baby. Baby. Baby.
Oh, the baby.
Babies.
The baby.
The babies.
What?
The babies. The.
Okay, what?
The. The.
The
Baby.
baby?
Babies.
Baby?
Okay. Blue.
Boo. Oh, the baby pooped?
The babies.
The baby. Okay, okay.
Blue.
Blue?
Bottom.
Blue? Okay, okay.
Bottom.
Bottom? The baby blue bottom?
Babies. Babies.
The baby?
The babies.
The baby blue bottle?
Blue bottom.
Oh, the baby blue bottom. That's it? Oh. Oh,
The
that's it.
babies. Blue bottom.
Oh.
Those are like these.
What's that?
It's just a random
Oh.
I like this song though.
Can you hear me?
What?
Can you hear me?
Not anymore. I can't even hear myself.
Okay. You guys are amazing. Okay. You guys are amazing. You guys are amazing.
What?
You guys are amazing.
Wait, restart.
Okay. You.
Two.
You.
Chew.
You.
You.
Guys.
You has.
Guys.
Enunciate your words.
Guys. Guys.
Just don't keep saying God.
I don't know.
I don't know what that is.
Our mom's laughing.
Let's just skip it because I
right.
literally cannot.
Like,
So I have
it was
1 point
you
because you got.
guys. You guys.
Oh my god.
Okay, that was stressful.
Once we can't, like, you think you can't do it anymore, you can't speak it in a different way, use hand motions, okay?
Okay.
Up in the sky. Just up in the sky. Okay. Up. Up.
Up.
In
In
the
the
sky.
sack.
Sky.
Ack. E.
Sky. Sky.
The. E. E.
No. No.
8.
Wait. From the top. Up.
Up.
In the
the
sky.
sky.
Yeah.
Oh.
Okay. That's it.
Oh my gosh. Okay.
2 points for me. Let's see if you can do this one. Come on. Or it might just be I'm bad at. But then like
I'm not
guys,
sure. Yeah, I'm bad at. I'm bad at like diction and stuff. Okay, let's do this.
I kind of saw the first letter.
Okay, good because that one's hard.
Subscribe.
Okay. So it's subscribe and
It's
like.
just the same song over and over again.
Subscribe and like to both of our channels. Oh, am I in the frame? Oh. Okay, subscribe and like to both of our channels. Okay. Subscribe
Subscribe
and like to both.
both.
To
Subscribe and like both
to
subscribe and like to subscribe and like to both
of our channels.
You can't like both of our channels. You can only like a video, right?
I know. Just like every video. That's why.
Wait, what? Am I done?
Yeah.
Oh, what? What were you saying?
What?
What were you saying?
Nothing.
Like after?
Because like you said, you can't like our videos.
You can't like a channel.
Like, yeah. But then I was like all of the videos, you know?
Oh.
So, yeah. That's what I meant, because I'm bad at like saying stuff. But my like ears are gonna break.
The good thing we only did 5 then, huh? You wanted to do 10.
I want to
each
do
of
10
us.
because quality videos. Okay.
Long video.
I heard that. It was like
the car
dog
car
chog
car
yog
car
yog
car
sock
car car
what the heck?
car
Raw.
car
Oh, the car
drives
so
fast.
fast.
Well, our camera stopped recording, but hopefully you didn't miss a lot. Anyways, you were just saying that.
Oh.
We said we were going to do this video next Monday, but we ended up doing it for this week. So next week, I will have a life hacks video for you guys on like getting ready in the morning. Life hacks for getting ready in the morning, yeah. So we hope you guys enjoyed, and we'll see you next week. And if you guys have any, if you have any suggestions of what you want us to do, just leave them in the comments, and we will most likely do them. If they're not hard to do.
If they're not hard, yeah.
Okay.
Bye.
Ciao. I'm
What?
trying to make
Ciao.
that my new outro. Ciao.
Ciao.